Hello, I am Vimla. I will be your guide for the Unit 3 of dressmaking. Meaning and definition of textile fibers. Clothing are made of textile. Textile comes from Latin word texture, woven. Fibers is defined as the basic unit of fabric and which has the capability of being woven or the building block in the manufacturing of fabric. Yarns Yarns are produced by twisting or spinning of the textile fibers, and fabric is then produced as an interlacing and interlooping structure. Identification of fabrics. For identification of right and wrong side of fabric, the following criteria will be helpful. Place both sides of fabric beside each other. On right side of fabric, the design is more bright and clear. The selvage is darker. The piles are visible. Classifications of fibers: natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Natural fiber. These fiber is that which is produced naturally. Synthetic fiber. These fibers are produced by the polymerization of various monomers. Classification of fibers. There are basically two type of fibers: natural fibers and man-made fibers. Just have a glance on the pictures. Types of fabrics. Cotton. Cotton is also called as king of fibers. Cotton is a natural fiber and is used in a wide variety of clothing and home furnishing. Polyester. It is made up of synthetic fiber and used in a wide variety of clothing. Polyester is a crease resistance type of fabric. Organza. Organza is a thin, plain weave sheer fabric traditionally made from silk. Many modern organzas are woven with synthetic filament fibers such as polyester or nylon. Organza is used for bridal wear and evening wearing. Dobby. Dobby is a woven fabric produced on the dobby loom, characterized by small geometric patterns and extra texture in the cloth. There are few more type of fabrics such as banana fabrics, silk fabric, woolen fabric, poplin fabric, satin fabric, twill fabric, denim fabric, georgette fabric, jacquard fabric, brocade fabric, chiffon fabric, crepe fabric, jersey fabric, leather fabric, lycra fabric, net fabric. Selection of the needle type will depend on the characteristics of the material, the size of the sewing thread, the type of the seam, and the stitch type. Have a look into the picture. Different type of needles: sharp point needle for woven fabric, ball point needle for nets, wedge point needle for leather, twin needle for decoration and stitch fabrics, triple needle for decoration, blue tip scarf needle for synthetic and silk, top stitching needle for thick threads, denim needle for thick denim and canvas. Selection of thread and needle. For stitching on thin fabric, use fine thread and fine needle. For heavy fabric, needles and thread size should be larger. The table will guide the selection of appropriate needle and thread size. The last column in the table gives the approximate number of machine stitches per 2.5 cm. Measuring techniques. How to take body measurement. Pull the tape firmly around the body part but not too tight. Keep it parallel to the floor. Measure always around the fullest part of each body area. Measurements given in fractions as centimeter might have to be adjusted. For example, hip 8 plus 2 centimeter will indicate some ease to hip size. There are some abbreviations used at the time of body measurements. Grains of fabric. It gives the direction of the yarns. The wrap running parallel to the selvage forms lengthwise grain. Crosswise, widthwise grains are formed by weft yarns running perpendicular to the selvage. The direction oblique to selvage is called bias. Selvage. The lengthwise finished edge where yarns are closely packed are called selvage. A self edge of fabric is known as selvage. Fabric grain lines. Type of fabric grain lines. Straight grain lines, pattern grain lines. Shrinkage. Fabrics having a tendency to shrink when they are first dipped in water. Therefore, the fabric is made to shrink before stitching. Shrinking treatment for different fabric. The shrinkage treatment for woolen fabric is given by steam, adopting any of the two methods. A wet Turkish towel is placed in between two layers of the woolen fabric so that the right side touch the wet towel. Spread pressed cloth to the top layer and press it with hot iron. The other method is to spread a wet muslin cloth over the fabric and rolling the fabric together. Then the wet muslin is removed and the fabric is pressed with the hot iron. Needle breaking. Incorrect size of needle for thread and fabric. Needle bent. Pulling of material while stitching. Presser foot incorrectly set. Crossing a thick seam using a too small needle. Fabric preparation for cutting. Three things should to do before you cut your fabric. Fabrics tend to shrink when they are first dipped in water, so before cutting, wash the fabric. Pressing is an important process. It will remove wrinkles, sharpen creases, flatten bulky layers, and open seams. Pressing can shrink and stretch a fabric. Make sure your fabric is on grain. Hi trainees, with this you have completed your week 3 of dressmaking.